It's your man Alex, and welcome back to my channel. We just hit 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube. That is insane. Insane. I would have never thought that I'd be able to have 10,000 subscribers, let alone even 1,000 subscribers. And really, it's 100% because of you guys. Seriously, I just wanted to sit down real quick and do a little one-on-one conversation and show my appreciation for you guys, because this is insane. You know, I've been trying to make a YouTube channel for so many years, right? I'm 24 years old, you know, right out of college. I didn't want to use my degree. I wasn't happy with what I went to school for. And I've been doing so many things since then to try and make some type of financial income, like steady income, to do what I want to do independently in life. And right now, I think I have that opportunity with YouTube, and I never fathomed the idea that I could actually make it happen. And it's really because of you guys and your support. All the support you guys show me in all of my videos, the comments, the likes, the views, everything. You know, I literally am so grateful that I do my best to reply to every single person that comments on my videos. Whether it's a hate comment, a good comment, whether you're leaving me some type of advice because of, you know, my haircut or my beard or whatever, maybe my hair, my scalp, because I've got some type of scalp problem that I'm trying to fix. Any type of advice, recommendation, good comments, bad comments, I'm listening to all of your feedback, and I'm really soaking it in because I really want to make this work, and I really want to provide the best content for you guys. I really wanted to just take a moment of my time to say, you know, thank you guys. I really appreciate all of your support, but don't think it's gonna stop here, right? 10,000 subscribers is phenomenal. The next goal is 50,000 subscribers. This is something that I've never thought could happen to me, and I really am putting my best foot forward with this, more than anything I've ever done before. And so I hope you guys enjoy all of the videos in the future. I want to tell you a quick story about myself. So I played soccer all my life growing up, and in high school I managed to break 2 school records, you know, scoring goals. I scored 61 goals as my career, and then 31 in an all-time season high for my high school. I broke 2 school records in high school. Yes, I did my part physically, mentally. You know, I came prepared to every practice, to every single game. You know, I was a leader with my team. But soccer's a team sport, right? There's 11 people on the field. And without those other 10 people, we couldn't have made me the best. And I know that becoming the best, you can't just do it alone with one person. It takes a whole group of people in order to be the best. And I think if I'm doing my part and I'm providing good content and it's helpful for you guys, then we can all be successful in this space. So again, guys, I really want to thank you all so much for 10,000 subscribers. It means so much to me. I'm really looking forward to the future here on YouTube, and I hope you guys can stay tuned for many more videos, smashing that like button, hitting that subscribe button down below, and just keep on showing your support in the comments and so forth. I really love reading all of your comments. It's so funny. Some of you guys are just hilarious. So with that being said, off to 50,000. Let's go full stride. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.